There were a lot of programs, a lot of my program biology was wonderful. I loved the class size, I loved the professors.
The changes, there's more sophistication, there's still the camaraderie that's at Ramapo. It's still a very friendly, small campus. The changes, most of them I think are for good.
I came here, Ramapo I found was an exciting place. It was in the 70s, and at that time you designed your own degree, you sat down with an advisor and worked out what you wanted to do. So it was new, it was exciting, it was an experiment in education, and still thriving. We still come back.